emotions. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. No, dapat sabi ni Sir Williams, dapat talaga you tilt yourself.
Tilt yourself.
On your own. Very good. Sit down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. On your own. Sabi ko kanina, it starts with the point of acceptance. Tanggapin mo, stop living in the past. Hindi na sa'yo yun. Napakawalan mo na yun. Hindi na yun sa'yo. And don't live in the future kasi hindi pa yun sa'yo. You only have... Oy naman! You only have the present to live. So, life is full of choices. So, ano yun na yun? Have the great choice for yourself. Yun, malibot na kami mga papanir. And actually, that is ganito. Sige nga, recap from the first. Ano yung muna? 1, 2, 3, go. I accept myself, I love myself as I am right now. Step 2. I resist less, I accept more. Ganon, open. Third step. I am present to the present. Step 4. Next slide, please. I am positive. So, ganito. Repeat after me, ha? Lord, anong maganda rito na gusto mong makita ko? Again, Lord, anong maganda rito na gusto mong makita ko? Lord, big na kami ng kuya. Anak nanay, bungangera, matay like this.
One step. One step.
Yung action again. So, ganito yan. I am positive. Dapat double ha, double. Kasi kung saan nag-double, tanga. Dapat double. Again, choices. Consequences. Yun, kasi sabi ni Sir, magsada ng choices at ng consequences. Tama. Okay, next. I do something new and different each day. Sabi nga, it's changing. Sunrise ka. 1, 2, 3, go. I do something new and different each day. Again. I do something new and different each day. Sige, Rika. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. I am one. May tanong ako, yung kurso niyo, gusto niyo ba? I am who I am, and I do what. Okay, again, step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Last step. Sige na, para matapos na itong pinakaalis. Okay, basahin ko. 1, 2, 3, go. It all boils down to I forgive. Kung ano man nangyari sa katapusan, huwag na yun, patawarin mo na yun, wala na yun. Kasi di ba, when I forgive. Okay, sige. Recap tayo. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6.